Hey there! HowTo guy here again. On this video, you're gonna learn how you can solve the Sudoku Expert level with just a simple strategy. Please note that I'm also an amateur and I am not a Sudoku professional player. I just stumbled upon this strategy myself, which I learned through constant playing. So, if you're stuck on your level and would like to know how you can proceed, then this video might be for you. But if you're new in playing this game, and would like to know the basics and the rules of this, then you might want to check out my other video instead, which details about that. You can find the link on my description below. The first time I tried playing the expert level, it took me 60 minutes to finish. Then the next time probably managed to bring it down to 30 minutes. Until such time, I developed this strategy and had a routine in playing my every game. Now, I'm able to bring it down and play this game, this level, in just under 15 minutes. So, without further ado, I'm gonna demonstrate to you my strategy using my pre-recorded game and demonstrate to you what I have in mind when solving it. So, let's start. I'm using an app I downloaded via Google Play Store. First thing I do again is I scan through the numbers starting from 1 to 9. Then, I find a cell where I can find the number. I start with number 1, of course. I couldn't find any, so I moved to number 2. Now look, here is the important thing. If you can't find one, your next focus should be finding the potential placement of a number on a particular grid. Only put it as a note if you have limited the placement to a maximum of 2 cells per number per grid. This is a simple strategy that I was referring to you. With that, look at the bottom left grid. There are only 2 available cells where number 2 can be placed. Same with the center right grid. I ignored the other grids since there are more than 2 placements possible for number 2. Next is number 3. So I made notes on the bottom right grid. Now number 4. Okay. This part is interesting, so better take closely of what I'll do next. For number 4, since at the center grid, we are sure that this cell are the only possible placements for it, then we can use this assumption to project the intersections for the center right grid. Look at the bottom left grid. I can already place number 4 on that and confirm that number 2 couldn't be there. So we are now sure that the other cell is for number 2. Again, look at the top left grid. Since we are sure that this row would be occupied already, and taking into consideration the other intersections, then this is the only cell available for number 4. And then, I resume again with my 1 to 9 scans. I proceed in finding potential cells to either take notes or place the number. Again, I found a grid for potential placement on number 5. Look at this cell. There are now 2 potential numbers on it. So that means it can only be either 2 or 5. That's the advantage of using this strategy. Basically, this is the order I use to quickly solve my game. Look at the bottom right grid. There's only one cell where I can place number 7. So that means there's also only one cell available for number 3. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button and comment down below for other video suggestions. Since I finished number 7, it took it out of my list. Now I am on number 8. On the center right grid, I now have limited most of the cells for its potential numbers. If I have seen the bottom center grid first, I would have not needed to pencil note on the top center grid. But that's okay. Then I start again with my 1 to 9 scans, since there are new cells that I have filled. It's also a chance for me to check on my missed scans. Now, I will have more cells that I can put notes on. I should have placed number 2 on that as well. So, if I had not missed that, I know where 2 and 3 are for this grid. Again, I use my strategy based on the assumption that the leftmost column has already number 5 on it. So, I am now sure for number 9 on the top left grid and bottom left grid. Although I am still on number 8, look at the empty cell on the bottom left grid. Number 3 is the missing number to complete this, since I have limited the other 2 cells for 1 and 6. Alright, look again what would happen next. A mini domino effect is about to happen. 1 number left for this grid, which affects my other nodes on other grids. For the third column, the only one left is, as per my notes, it's number 3. Now, I'm done for number 3. I made some notes for number 1 since I only have few cells containing it. By now, I had crossed out most of the numbers from my notes, and from here on, I just used the basic rules of the game until completion. And that's it! I was able to finish this game in just under 12 minutes. And as per the app says, I was able to beat 84.54% of the players. Wow, that's a great number, isn't it? Again, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye!